Here at Boulder Ridge Townhomes. This is a 112 townhome community purchased in Fund 3 and 4 just 4 months ago. This is a beautiful, messy middle job site. I love coming to the job sites when we're in the middle of making things nicer. You can see, feel, smell all the improvements we've made to this unit. So we've got this beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring everywhere underneath us. We try to do it the right way with matching corner shoe molding. We don't just try to back it in under the trim. Updated sockets, switches, faucets, fixtures. We even update the air vent registers to new satin nickel registers. We replace all the old light fixtures. This was a beautiful, luxurious gold. Not quite as fashionable as it used to be. It's coming back around, but not that shade of gold. So we've got energy efficient, bright, beautiful color temperature selectable LED disc lights that we have throughout the unit. And I love how absolutely enormous these units are. This 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 2-car attached garage townhome is north of 2,000 square feet. So we've got 2 living areas here. Did a lovely remodel in this half bath with all new vanity, light fixture, mirror. We're going to update the hardware. We've got another light fixture to update there. Have a premium sink, faucet, lots of little touches here with cabinet pulls, updating to stainless steel appliances. Here's our second living area. These units are they're absolutely enormous. New bright white Decora switches. All the decks are in great shape, so not much to do here, but just love the incredible amount of space that we have here. And this particular plan, it actually has a split staircase. So when you come in from the lower level, you can go left or right, depending on which side of the unit you want to go to. A very kind of luxury layout. And then it has the exact same layout for the stairwell upstairs. There's 2 wings to the upper story, a classic townhome layout with a garage on the main floor, living on the second, and then your bedroom upstairs. So we have the master suite here. If you take a turn to the left, absolutely enormous unit with big windows. Again, we're installing that same premium luxury vinyl plank throughout. New light fixtures and socket switches, faucets, fixtures, door hinges, door handles, lots of updates to the bathroom. Bathroom already has a oversized tub for 2, lots of luxury features that are very rare to see. This is more of like a condominium townhome style build than kind of rental housing style build. But the original builder on this community was a luxury home builder. This was them kind of trying their hand at a rental community. Lots of updates in this bathroom. New Niagara stealth toilets throughout. Those save like 2/3 of the water of regular toilets, plus they're clog-proof, run-proof, and reduce your maintenance tickets quite a bit. So we love installing those everywhere. Here we've got the kids' bedroom wing with in-unit laundry that's on the 3rd floor. A lot of times those laundry units are on the main floor, and you're running 2 flights of stairs to do your laundry in your townhome. We have an enormous walk-in closet, even in the kids' bedroom. Like, these units are just absolutely enormous. Lighting inside the closet. And then this other kid's bedroom, still an enormous bedroom with lots of kind of pieces of architectural interest. So just a quick walk through a messy middle job site here at Boulder Ridge Townhomes. We've done 30 renovations on this community since we closed on it. So we've been just making improvements to the community at a breakneck pace, and I could not be more proud of our results.